Christmas is just around the corner and the royal family is gearing up for a big family celebration this year after spending the last one away from the Queen. Last week, the Daily Mirror reported that the senior members of the royal family have cancelled their public engagement this week to limit the contact with other people so that they can enjoy Christmas with the Queen. Today, we are looking at the Christmases Duchess of Cambridge has celebrated with the royal family. In 2010, the Queen invited the bride-to-be Catherine Middleton for Christmas at the Sandringham estate, but Kate politely declined the invitation as she wanted to celebrate her last Christmas as a single woman with her family. The Duchess of Cambridge's first Christmas with the royal family was in 2011. Catherine joined the royal family for the traditional Christmas service at Sandringham. For early morning service, Catherine wore Reese Angel fit and fair coat with her Equitalia boots, and for the main service, she wore a burgundy coat that still remains unidentified with mascaro black suede pumps, Jane Corbett hat, mulberry basewater clutch, and Kiki McDonough classic green amethyst diamond earring. In 2012, the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge marked another first. They spent Christmas with the Middleton family in Berkshire. Kate was expecting her first child, Prince George, and was suffering from acute morning sickness. A private celebration was preferred given the situation. They joined the royal family for pre-Christmas lunch and spent only Boxing Day in Sandringham. Christmas in 2013 was Catherine's first as a mother that she celebrated at Sandringham with the royal family. For the morning service, she was wearing an unidentified cream coat, really wild clothing cashmere, mixed tartan wrap in claret tone. For the main service of the day, Catherine chose Alexander McQueen tartan coat dress, Gina Foster hat, Equitalia Rumba boots, and Kiki McDonough green amethyst drop earrings. In 2014, the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge were expecting their second child. They joined the royal family at the Sandringham estate for Christmas celebration, where the couple recently finished the renovation of their country home, Anmer Hall. The Middleton family was also invited. Catherine chose her Molo Turpin coat with Hobbs brown animal shirt dress, Lock & Company's Betty Boop hat, Amy London's Valerie pump, Catherine Zoraida double leaf earrings, really wild clothing silk scarf in autumn print with Cornelia James gloves. To mark the Christmas, Kensington Palace released the first solo portraits of Prince George. The pictures were taken by Prince Harry's then private secretary, Edward Lane Fox, who used to work as a freelance photographer. In 2015, the Duchess of Cambridge wore a Sports Max long welted coat with Great Plains Sezane dress, her Equitalia Rumba boots, and mulberry basewater clutch in black suede. She paired the outfit with her Kiki McDonough classic green amethyst diamond earrings and her pecan brooch. A new family portrait was released by the Kensington Palace. The picture was taken by Chris Jelf at Kensington Palace. 2016 was the turn for Berkshire Christmas. The Duke and Duchess of Cambridge took Prince George and Princess Charlotte to Berkshire for a Christmas celebration with the Middleton family. The Duchess of Cambridge was wearing her Hob London Caleste coat and ASOS fur mini slot collar with Todd's pump with fringes, Queen's diamond and pearl earrings, and mulberry clutch. 2017 saw the Duchess of Cambridge debuting a new look. She looks in festive mood with a very beautiful, elegant red and green Miu Miu velvet trimmed double-breasted tartan wool blend pea coat that she paired with Peruvian Connection walnut black alpaca fur hat, Todd's black suede block heel pumps, Kiki McDonough diamond flower and lemon quartz drop earrings with mulberry clutch, and black Imogen merino wool glove from Cornelia James. The Duke and Duchess of Cambridge were a family of 5 in 2018 with the new addition of Prince Louis. The Duchess of Cambridge chose a burgundy wool long coat from Catherine Walker for the Christmas Day service. The Duchess wore a matching dress underneath the coat. She paired the outfit with burgundy and black hollow band from Jane Taylor, her mulberry basewater clutch, burgundy jeans with the Rossi pumps, and Esprit London's oak leaf small hoop earrings. She topped the outfit with her diamond oak leaf brooch. 2019 was possibly one of the most anticipated royal Christmas of the last decade. Prince William and Catherine brought Prince George and Princess Charlotte for their first Sandringham Christmas walk. Duchess Kate wore a customized version of Catherine Walker's Larissa coat with Michael Kors jewel green midi shirt dress and Lock & Company hat. She paired the outfit with her Amy London Josie greenery pumps, Kiki McDonough candy mini green amethyst diamond earrings, and Amy London's Natasha clutch. 2020 started with a bang but ended on a very depressing note when the Queen and the Duke of Edinburgh were forced to spend Christmas away from their family member at Windsor Castle. This year it is being reported that the family will be at Sandringham Estate with the Queen, but public access will be closed to make sure that the event does not turn into a super spreader. We will be keeping an eye on what happens this week and report accordingly. Stay tuned for more royal news.